Removing background from a photo in Canva is easy and can be done in one single click. The issue is that using this feature requires a paid Pro Canva plan. But why should you pay if there is a free solution? Hey everyone, and welcome to Nech Empire, a place where you will learn more about graphic design, the latest Canva tricks, and ways to sell your designs on Etsy. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background from a photo in Canva, even without a paid plan. To be honest, this technique works, but the main issue is that you have no control about the process. You simply get an image and photo without background, and if it's not perfect, you cannot do anything about it. There is no way to erase additional areas on that image. However, if you have a simple photos or images, these tools can help you. So, open Canva and start a new design project. Then go to the left sidebar and click on the apps. In the apps section, type background into the search bar. Here you will see multiple apps you can use for removing a background from a photo. So, choose either background eraser or the clear background tool. Both are almost the same. For this video tutorial, I'm going to choose the background eraser. So, click on it, open the tool, and simply upload the photo where you want to remove the background. Once done, click on the Remove Background button and wait for the tool to finish the task. In just few seconds, you get a photo without a background. This tool is really fast. However, the issue is that it does not work perfectly. As you can see, when I change the color of the background to a black, you can see a few uncut places on the photo, and you cannot remove them. For a simple task and simple photos, these two tools are enough. But for more complex images or photos, you have to use another remover or have a paid plan. Removing the background from a picture can be done using many graphic editing tools, but most of them cost money. And when you find a good tool that can remove backgrounds for free, you have found something special. To help you a little bit, I found a great free tool that can help you with that. It's called the Creative Fabrica Background Remover. Let me tell you all about it. Creative Fabrica is a website where you can find millions of graphics, fonts and other graphic elements that you can use for your designs. And inside their studio, they have multiple useful tools that are free to use. One of these tools is a free background remover, and using this tool is super easy. Here is what you do. Go to the Creative Fabrica website and find the Studio section. Hover over the section, go to the Other Tools section and find Remove Background. Click on it. To make it even more simple, you can use the link in the video description that will lead you directly to this tool. Now, after opening the tool, you can either drag an image to it or upload it from your computer. Wait a moment while the tool automatically removes the background. Once done, you will see two pictures. On the left side is the original picture, and on the right side is a picture without a background. You can zoom in to see how effective this tool is. If you are satisfied, you can easily save your new picture to your computer by clicking on the Download Image button. While I like this tool, I have an issue because I cannot work with the picture when the tool does not remove the background correctly. But still, I hope I haven't gotten you excited about trying out the Creative Fabrica Background Remover. It's free and it's easy. Why not give it a shot? You might be surprised at how much you enjoy playing around with your pictures. Removing backgrounds from images is a very common but very often tedious task. That is why I want to share with you a tool that promises to make this process easier and more efficient. The tool in question is ClipDrop, a platform that offers a range of AI tools, including one of the best free background removal available. And here is a breakdown of what you need to know about this game-changing tool. ClipDrop is a platform that offers a variety of AI tools designed to assist in various tasks, from image generation to background removal. In fact, ClipDrop and Leonardo are my go-to AI image generators that I currently use. Leonardo offers more fine-tuned models for generating diverse images, while ClipDrop is faster and comes with Stable Diffusion XL, an incredible AI image model. And that is one of the reasons why I have a paid subscription to ClipDrop. At just $7 per month, this money is well invested. You should also understand that ClipDrop is not only an AI image generator, it is a platform full of tools that can help you edit your images. You have access to a text removal, an uncrop tool for resizing images, a relight feature, a background replacer, and of course a background removal tool. A cool fact about this platform is that the most of the tools are free to use with a daily limitation. For example, when it comes to background removal, you can use it to up to 1000 times a day and it can handle even bigger images. So now let's talk about how you can use this tool. To get started, visit the ClipDrop website and scroll down to find the background removal tool. Click on it to access the feature. In the next step, you need to drag and drop the image you want to edit into the tool. It is even possible to upload up to 10 images at the same time, and ClipDrop will efficiently remove the background, resulting in a clean and transparent image. And the last step is of course to download the edited image by clicking the download button in the top right corner of the screen. This is how easy it is to remove the background with this tool. In my opinion, this tool is incredibly versatile and can handle a wide range of complexities. Whether you are working with simple graphics or intricate illustrations, the tool delivers impressive results. However, it is worth noting that the tool isn't perfect. For instance, it may struggle with complex details like hair or leaves. But what I like about this tool is that it can handle even larger images, and you can download the image in the same dimensions you have uploaded. For me, ClipDrop background removal is a powerful tool that can significantly streamline your graphic design and print-on-demand workflow. While it has some limitations, its versatility and ease of use make it a valuable asset for everyone in the field. But what is most important, this tool is still free to use. So I hope you have found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to use the comment section and I will do my best to provide a reply.